Have you ever wondered who keeps the India's financial market fair, transparent, and save the millions of investors every day? Who ensures that your IPO are not scams, your mutual fund companies are following the rules and regulations, and even the finfluencers don't mislead you? That's the life of SEBI Grade A officer, one of the most respected, one of the most intellectual, challenging jobs in India's financial ecosystem. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about the life of a SEBI Grade A officer, right? So recently only SEBI has released a short notification related to the recruitment of multiple streams like general, legal, IT, research and so on. And here we are going to talk about the life of a SEBI Grade A officer, particularly relating to the general stream. So if I talk about SEBI, SEBI is the capital market regulator of India, right? Just like RBI is regulating banks and non-banks, SEBI is regulating the capital market in India. So anything that is related to shares, mutual funds, investments is being regulated by SEBI, even the IPOs, mutual funds, alternate investment funds and whatnot. So the major mission is to protect the investor's interest, promote the market transparency and ensure a fair play as a whole in the market. So whether we talk about the Hindenburg Research and Adani case, the investigation related to the Adani group, or whether we talk about the crackdown of the Gensol Engineering and the Blue Smart, SEBI is always there to protect the interest of the investor and to bring more and more transparency in the financial markets. Let's talk first about SEBI. Why? Because a life of a SEBI Grade A officer will depend on how the structure of the organization is, what are the departments in, what are the functions of this organization basically. So I have taken the screenshot from directly the SEBI website only. Establishment of SEBI. So we all know that SEBI is a regulatory body. That's why every regulatory body has its own act. So SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, Act 1992 is the governing act. Have a look at the preamble. The SEBI describes the basic function of the Securities and Exchange Board of India as to protect the interest of the investor. So that's the number one function here, right? That's the number one basic function, to protect the interest of the investor, to promote the development of and regulate the securities market. So they also need to ensure whether the securities market of India is flourishing or not, right? New products are coming into the market or not, and whether we are able to properly manage the old products very well or not, right? Coming to the organization structure, we can have a look at the organization structure. The chairman here will be Mr. Tuhin Kanta Pandey, right? Recently appointed. Earlier the chairperson was Mrs. Madhavi Puribuch, and now Tuhin Kanta Pandey, Mr. Tuhin Kanta Pandey is leading the pack, right? If I talk about the job profile of a SEBI Grade A officer, because your majority of the tenure, I can say the life of the SEBI Grade A officer depends on the job profile, right? Broadly. And it is going to completely be dependent on the fact like which particular department you are assigned to, right? So there are so many departments in SEBI. So basically I would like to tell you that your life would be around the basic skills like formulating policies, like regulating the entities, like supervising the entities, and sometimes doing the investigations and the adjudications as well, right? So if you do have interest in the policy making, if you do have interest in policy implementation, investigation, doing a lot of research work, performing the adjudications, right, inspection, supervision, and regulating all the entities related to the capital market, then this job is for you, right? Have a look. We are having so many departments in SEBI: AIF, FPI, then there is board cell, then corporate finance department, corporate finance investigation department, particularly for the investigation purpose, economic and policy analysis. So this is more of a research kind of department, department of debt and hybrid securities, HRD, general services, right? So many departments we are having. We do have IT department as well, specifically for the IT stream people, and legal affairs for the legal stream, market intermediaries, regulation and supervision department, another important department of SEBI, office of international affairs. So many departments we are having, regional offices, right? So your role will heavily be dependent on the fact like which department you are assigned to, and broadly there are rotations as well. So the learning experience is quite good as per my understanding, right? And from the feedback of employees as well, the learning experience is quite good. right? Obviously, there are some departments that gives a great learning experience, and there are some departments again that are giving a moderate type of working experience, right? Have a look. So many rules and regulations, guidelines, circulars, and gazette notifications are coming from SEBI. So a lot of work related to the research and formulation of policies is always there in this particular organization, which you guys will be also exposed to, right? If I talk about the career making, then again I told you policy making. Life of a SEBI grade A officer revolves around policy making, policy implementation, preparing the market regulations, reviewing the market regulations, and implementing, enforcing them as well. And at the same time, the number one objective will always be one only: investor protection, right? This is one of the most prestigious job in the financial markets, I can say, right? A very high paying salary plus exposure to financial market. It becomes a top notch finance job, I can say, in India, if I talk about the regulatory body. Coming to the career progression, how you guys will be getting ahead in your career, how you guys will be climbing up the SEBI ladder in the organization. So I can say that you will be joining from the assistant manager level kind of profile, which is your SEBI grade A officer, right? It's an assistant manager kind of a profile. Then your promotion will happen every 4 to 5 years will be on an average the promotion cycle, I can say. Then you will move to manager level, assistant general manager level. तो obvious सी बात है, मैनेजर के अंडर बहुत सारे असिस्टेंट मैनेजर आ जाते हैं, AGM के अंदर बहुत सारे फिर मैनेजर्स आ जाते हैं. जस्ट लाइक द रिपोर्टिंग हैपन्स इन द कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड, यहाँ पे SEBI वर्ल्ड के अंदर भी सेम चलता है. डेप्यूटी जनरल मैनेजर तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, काफ़ी सारी अपसाइड पोजिशंस यहाँ पे है, एंड यू कैन रीच टू द लेवल ऑफ DGM and GM as well in certain cases, right? So definitely it's going to be a very challenging plus very rewarding plus very full of learning profile which we can see in this organization. If I talk about the posting and location of different departments, majorly आपकी पोस्टिंग मुंबई में होने वाली है, बट SEBI रीजनल ऑफिसेस के अंदर भी काफ़ी सारा एक्सपेंशन कर रहा है, तो डेफिनेटली आपका फ्यूचर में चांस बन सकता है कि आप एक किसी रीजनल ऑफिस में भी काम कर रहे हो, एक नॉन मेट्रो सिटी के अंदर भी काम कर रहे हो. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द यूजुअल लाइफ ऑफ अ SEBI ग्रेड ए ऑफिसर, सो टिपिकली आप मॉर्निंग में जैसे हर ऑफिस में जाते हो, आप यहाँ पे भी जाओगे और सेल्स टारगेट आपके ऊपर रहने वाला नहीं है. नो डाउट प्रेशर विल बी देयर, प्रेशर विल ऑलवेज बी देयर. कोई भी रेगुलेटरी बॉडी हो, वर्क का प्रेशर हर जगह होता है, राइट? एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी नीड टू लर्न आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, हाउ टू मैनेज pressure and how to grow in that role, right? There won't be any kind of client calls, though there will be some stakeholders calls, right? आपके जो सर्वाइव आपके जो अराउंड स्टेकहोल्डर्स होते हैं, राइट? आपकी टीम मीटिंग्स होंगी डेफिनेटली, इंटरमीडियरीज से भी आपकी काफ़ी बार मीटिंग रह सकती है. ओके, सो ब्रॉडली आप क्या कर रहे होगे, सर्कुलर्स पे, रेगुलेटरी फाइलिंग्स पे. कोई कंपनी IPO फाइल कर रही है तो कुछ डिपार्टमेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो IPO को रिव्यू कर रहे होंगे, उसकी ऑथेंटिसिटी चेक कर रहे होंगे डॉक्यूमेंट्स की, राइट? You'll be having a look at the financial statements of different entities, understanding their legal structure. Is there any kind of legal complicacy? अगर आप देखोगे ब्लू स्मार्ट वाला केस, जेंसॉल वाला, तो एक बहुत बड़ी रिपोर्ट SEBI ने बना के निकाली थी. सो कोई ना कोई उसको एनालाइज कर रहा होगा पीछे बैकएंड पे, राइट? SEBI ऑफिसर्स ही कर रहे होंगे. सो ये सारे काम रहते हैं आपके. दूसरे स्टॉक एक्सचेंजेस से कोऑर्डिनेट करना, फाइनेंशियल इंटरमीडियरीज से कोऑर्डिनेट करना, राइट? इन्वेस्टिगेशन वर्क करना. सो बेसिकली आई कैन से दैट it's more of a dynamic and market driven role. Whenever the market is moving, SEBI has to ensure that they are moving faster than the market, right? If I talk about the work life balance and challenges, so that's a thing I can say which is more dependent on the fact that who is your manager, who is your reporting manager. Your work life balance क्या होता है ना, कभी कभी बहुत सारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कुछ टीम्स का खराब होता है, कुछ टीम्स का बहुत अच्छा होता है. सो इट ऑलवेज डिपेंड्स ऑन द इमीडिएट सीनियर कि उनका नेचर कैसा है और आपके कलीग्स का नेचर कैसा है, उससे आपका वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस पूरा शेप अप होता है. दो आई कैन से दैट कुछ टाइम पहले वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस का कुछ सॉर्ट इशू आ रहा था, बट नाउ इट इज क्वाइट सॉर्टेड. एंड एज ऑफ नाउ देर आर नो रेगुलर लेट नाइट्स, दो डेफिनेटली देर विल बी एट टाइम्स यू नीड टू वर्क हार्ड टू गेट द थिंग्स डन. देन I can say it's a very professional environment in which you guys will be working, and this job demands constant upskilling. Why? Because the financial market is changing every second in India. It's evolving like anything. You can see that there are so many regulations SEBI has come up with in the recent 1 year, right? So the learning will never stop here, and that's what the most exciting part of the journey here is in the SEBI Grade A officer, right? And these are the some of the entities that are being regulated by SEBI. So आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे आपका एक्सपोजर लेवल कितना बढ़ने वाला है, राइट? आपको कैपिटल मार्केट के, फाइनेंशियल मार्केट के हर एरिया के अंदर एक बहुत बढ़िया नॉलेज होना चाहिए. ये स्पेशली इन द फॉर्मुलेशन साइड, फॉर्मुलेशन एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन साइड आपको यहाँ पे बहुत ही बढ़िया अंडरस्टैंडिंग होना चाहिए. Coming to some of the powers and responsibility, definitely you are the stock market, or I can say capital market guardians. IPO regulation and oversight, आपके पास इतना पावर होता है कि आप IPO को वेट कर सको, चेक कर सको, रिजेक्ट कर सको, राइट? उसके बाद कमिंग टू द सर्वेलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट, डेफिनेटली यू डू हैव पावर ऑफ कंडक्टिंग inspections, enforce rules and regulations on particular entities related to the market. पॉलिसी फॉर्मुलेशन, पब्लिक ट्रस्ट रोल हो गया, तो डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे पावर्स आपको बेटर मिलती है दूसरी रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज के कंपैरिजन में, एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज भी ज्यादा होती है. व्हाई? बिकॉज it's capital market, and I told you guys capital market is changing every second, right? And it's quite risky as well. So that's why SEBI is there to ensure strict compliance with each and every rules and regulation here. And if I talk about exit opportunities, though I have mentioned some of the exit opportunities, but personally I believe that ये एक बहुत ही restrictive list है जो मैंने लिखी है. Sky is the limit always in case of any profession. And if I talk about SEBI Grade A, वहाँ पे इंडिया के कुछ ब्रिलियंट माइंड्स बैठते हैं ऐसी रेगुलेटरी बॉडी में जो कैपिटल मार्केट को इनसाइड आउट समझते हैं. सो डेफिनेटली ऑल द एंटिटीज रिलेटेड टू कैपिटल मार्केट, ब्रोकर्स, फाइनेंशियल इंटरमीडियरीज, मैं उनको बोलना चाहूँगा, राइट? यू कैन ज्वाइन फाइनेंशियल इंटरमीडियरीज लेटर ऑन. दूसरी रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज में भी मैंने काफ़ी सारे लोगों को काम करते हुए देखा है. इंटरनेशनल रोल्स के लिए आप जा सकते हो. प्राइवेट सेक्टर ऑब्वियसली इज ऑलवेज ओपन फॉर यू गाइज. कंसल्टिंग एडवाइजरी चालू कर सकते हो खुद का रिलेटेड टू लॉज एंड रेगुलेशन, रिलेटेड टू द कंप्लायंस, राइट? एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, ये फील्ड हमेशा सबके लिए ओपन रहता है, और डेफिनेटली एक ऐसा पर्सन जिसने सेबी ग्रेड ए ऑफिसर का एग्जाम निकालो, उनके लिए ये सारी बेसिकली उनको वेलकम किया जाता है इन सारी फील्ड्स के अंदर ही, जो कि दूसरों के लिए भी ओपन रहती है, पर आपको यहाँ पे डेफिनेटली प्रेफरेंस मिलती है कंसिडरिंग योर साउंड नॉलेज इन द कैपिटल मार्केट्स, राइट? So that's all from my end for today, guys. If I say that you are interested in policy formulation, policy regulation, review of the policy, implementation and all, if capital market is the area that you are having an interest in, then definitely this is a good job for you, right? And we have launched a complete course as well for your SEBI Grade A preparation. You can have a look at the course highlights as well. This will be a complete live batch. Okay, guys, thank you so much. And in case of any query, you can always let me know in the comment section. Bye bye. Take care.